Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you best top 3 budget robot vacuum cleaners 2020 and 2021. I hope you like. And please activate the bell. Don't forget to subscribe. So here we go guys! LIECTROUX robot vacuum cleaner. The robot can detect the entire environment around and then build up the map inside the CPU, so that is do cleaning with plan from one room after another. The robot is with memory to know where has cleaned it. While warehousing does one-time sweeping, coverage is more than 98%. The cleaning part repetition rate is about 1%. Humanized design with voice reminder. The robot will remind you when charging, starts to do cleaning full of dusting or glitch, etc. High efficient cleaning. The suction power is pretty strong. The design of primary filter combined with HEPA filter avoids the secondary air pollution. Besides, the suction power is adjustable so that we could choose a quiet mode. Wi-Fi app control. The Wi-Fi connect is extremely swift. The app can show real-time working road of the robot. Electric control water tank ensures even water seepage. The water seepage stops automatically if robot stops working. The whole water volume of 350 milliliters ensures continuous wet mopping of the 100 minutes. Fully enclosed body design ensures that the dust cannot enter into the main board, preventing the main board from being corroded. If you want to buy this product, in the commentary below, you can see the link in the description. ABIR X6 robot vacuum cleaner. X6 has camera, BS SLAM triple navigation system, which have same performance with LDS robot. We already update suction power to 4000 PA. 4000 PA suction real reset video. Compared with LDS robot, the head of the robot is 7.6 centimeters. The thickness of LDS robot are over 9.5 centimeters in the market. The product size 330 per 330 and 76 millimeters. Voltage 25 watts. Dust bin capacity 600 milliliters. Water tank capacity 360 millimeters. Stripping mass mopping. Runtime about 120 minutes. Obstacle crossing ability 2 cm. Cleaning area 200 square meters. ¿Cierto? Proscenic robot vacuum cleaner 830p 2000 PA. Simple and fast application control to start the machine. With one click and choose between different cleaning modes. Grow 15 millimeters. Barrier with easy going from floor to carpet. 7.3 centimeter slim body. Move freely on the button of different furniture. iPad 3.0 schedule cleaning. The robot vacuum cleaner will clean in the programmed pattern without losing a single point. Adjustable 3 levels of suction, perfect for cleaning all types of surfaces. Voice control Alexa is extremely convenient to control the robot vacuum cleaner with voice command. Large 350 mm water tank with large capacity. 3-level adjustable electric water tanks, height medium or low. Clean and mop the entire house simultaneously without adding water frequently. Double anti-drop laser infrared sensor. When it detects the risk of failing, it will move backwards to protect the machine. Automatic reload automatically. Recharge with low battery and no intervention required.